Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name is Ben. This is a super quick video on the Ninja Woodfire grill. So in a previous video, which I'll link up here in the unboxing video, I spoke about the grill, obviously the grill plate, and then in future videos where I've done a cook, I've spoke about cleaning the grill. Now, I assumed wrongly that you could dishwasher this grill plate, but after the experience I've had after probably 10 uses and 10 washes of the grill, and now actually reading the instructions, I've now discovered that you shouldn't dishwasher this grill plate. Or the drip tray as well. So the drip tray, you will notice, has kind of got this rusty look underneath, and it's gone quite an off colour. So it's sound, it's still fine, but it shouldn't be dishwashed. It's obviously taken something off the surface while it's been in the dishwasher. So that's that one. The actual grill plate itself, it still cleans fine in the dishwasher, the actual non-stick surface. The problem is underneath. So underneath, what's happened is it's obviously worn away at the material underneath, and it kind of leaves like a dusty residue underneath. So again, it's obviously not a massive issue. It doesn't really affect the cooking, but over time, it's taken a layer off the top of the grill plate. So it does clearly say in the instructions, it was my fault that I've missed it. It does clearly say in the instructions that you should not dishwasher it. You should just use hot soapy water, which for the last couple of cooks and couple of washes of the grill plate, I have actually done. Okay, that is really it. That's all I wanted to do. Just a really quick video, just because obviously I've given some false information in the previous video. So I will link to this video now in my other videos that we've done on the cooks, just so it's really clear in terms of that guidance I have given in other videos. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a dislike, maybe for the actual reason why I've done it. If you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along with the Ninja Woodfire series, other Ninja Cook series, and other DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in another video.